Guys, this is Tommy Tom. Today I'm gonna teach you how to inspect the used excavator.
Maybe it will help you to purchase them. So first, you need to test the idle support of the vehicle. So if the vehicle body can easily lift more than 1 meter off the ground, it indicates that the vehicle's hydraulic performance is in a good condition. Conversely, it indicates that the hydraulic performance is very poor. The second item to test is the idle one-sided travel. We need to test the forward and backward movement of one side of the track, and it is the best way to conduct the test on muddy ground. If the vehicle can easily complete one-sided travel and even spin in place, the travel system is in perfect working order. The third item to be tested is the turntable clearance. Turn the vehicle body left and right to check if there's any play on either side and if the brake is properly engaged. Perform the operation of the repeatedly lifting and lowering the main arm to check if the turntable has any vertical play. This is the most important point. So after starting the engine, we need to listen for if there's any abnormal noises coming from it. We also need to check if the color of the exhaust pipe is abnormal. If the engine emits black smoke, white smoke, or blue smoke, it indicates that there's a problem with the engine. We need to check whether there is exhaust gas coming out of the exhaust pipes at various locations. Last item, we need to adjust the bomb to the end of its stroke. Keep it stationary and check if the engine stops or if the speed exceeds 200 rpm.